The new Galaxy A90 is the first phone that brings 5G connectivity at a price way lower than that of a flagship. While the top-tier Galaxy S10 Plus 5G model costs nearly $1,300, the A90 5G can be had for about half that price. Hello guys, Vic with PhoneArena here, and we got to spend some time with the new A90 5G edition at the IFA Tech show, and this phone is surprisingly good for the money. These are our first impressions. The phone comes in two classic color options, black and white, but it stands out thanks to the unique geometric pattern on the back glass. Twist and turn it around and it reflects light beautifully, and it also feels very well made. It sports a huge 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution, and that screen looks gorgeous. It comes with a tiny water drop shaped notch which accommodates a 32-megapixel selfie camera. The phone also has a fingerprint scanner embedded under the screen, another traditional flagship feature. Probably most impressive, however, is the massive 4500 mAh battery inside. When you're connected to 5G, the battery drain is much higher, but this large battery should handle it well. The phone also supports 25-watt fast charging without the need to buy a separate adapter. As far as the specs go, Samsung has teamed up with Qualcomm to include the Snapdragon 855 chipset, while the X50 5G modem supports the 5G connectivity. The phone also comes in either 6GB or 8GB of RAM, and it features 128GB of expandable storage. On the backside, there is a triple camera setup, which includes a main 48-megapixel sensor, a depth 5-megapixel sensor, and an ultra-wide 8-megapixel camera for the best possible results. The main camera supports familiar Samsung tricks, a super steady mode, and the scene optimizer. Camera quality is one area where we expect this A90 to be a bit behind the other flagships, so don't quite expect the very best here. This is also the first Galaxy A series phone that includes DeX, so you can get your notifications and messages on a PC. The Galaxy A90 5G is trying to appeal to a slightly different audience that can't afford to purchase a flagship but still wants those 5G speeds. The phone is coming to Europe in October for a price of €750, while a US launch is not impossible, but Samsung has refused to comment on that yet. What do you think about this new and more affordable 5G phone? Are you ready to make the jump to the network of the future? Let us know in the comments. My name is Vic, it was a pleasure talking to you, and I will see you next time right here on PhoneArena.